12 tips for going viral on Instagram Reels. Reels have been on Instagram for a couple of years now, so it's becoming harder to make them stand out because the competition is increasing. However, don't let that stop you from creating them. We'll provide you with some useful tips and tricks to create short videos and go viral on this network. Let's get started. 1. Focus on a specific niche or topic. One of the ways to gain followers and go viral on Instagram is to find a theme or category on Instagram and post about it regularly. Instagram's algorithm uses machine learning, so it will show your posts to an audience that is already interested in the topic you are posting about. This is why it is so important to choose a theme or niche and stick to it. 2. Include an attention-grabbing hook. Thousands of reels are published daily, so to go viral, content must be really entertaining. In order to stand out, add a personal touch that makes it unique and original. The first few seconds of the video are key to capturing the audience's attention, so it is important to make them stand out from the beginning. 3. Make them the right size. The optimal video size is 1080 by 1920 pixels. This allows viewers to see a video at the maximum resolution, with an aspect ratio of 9:16. This means your video should be recorded vertically. 4. Do not include TikTok watermarks. There was a very clear objective when Instagram Reels was launched, to encourage users to choose Instagram or TikTok for video posts. Instagram's algorithm is able to detect TikTok's watermarks. To give your videos a chance of positioning well, it's necessary to remove those watermarks. 5. Include text in your video. It is estimated that more than 80% of Instagram users watch videos without sound, whether they are stories or reels. So, it's a very good idea to add captions or text that can help viewers understand the content without audio. Text will also allow people with hearing difficulties to understand the video. 6. Center text in the middle so that it's viewable in grid mode. Since Reels can be accessed and watched from the Reels tab or the in-feed view, it is important to always make sure to place your text in the middle of your video, the safe zone, so that it won't be cut off. 7. Include a call to action. A call to action should always be included to encourage the audience to interact with your videos. This is the best way to get to know your audience's impressions and opinions. You can then create content according to their preferences. This does not mean moving away from your chosen theme or idea, rather, thinking about how you can present it in a way that appeals to people. 8. Use viral elements. In order to give your content the best chance of going viral, you can use elements that are trending, such as songs or challenges. This means keeping up to date with trends and observing how the public is reacting to them in order to implement them, as long as they fit within your category or theme. 9. Use hashtags to promote your content. Hashtags are a key element of any kind of post on Instagram. This is because they help Instagram's algorithm understand the type of content in your video and then show it to users who may be interested. Hashtags must be chosen very carefully. The most popular ones are not always the best since they have more competition. 10. Create a custom reel cover. Creating a custom reel cover can help your video stand out from the very beginning. This is the image that the user will see before clicking on it. The cover will add value to the content and will make it much more appealing and attractive. It will also give continuity to your profile. 11. Publish your reel at peak viewing times. Not every hour is a good time to publish. Neither is every day. It's important to know the times when most of your target audience is connected and available. Once you determine the best days and times that will generate the most views, schedule your posts accordingly. This way, you'll have a higher engagement rate. 12. Share your reels on your Instagram feed and stories. To give your reel greater visibility, share it on your Instagram feed and in your stories. The idea is for followers not to miss the post. Going viral on Instagram Reels is possible, though the chances of it happening overnight are pretty low. The most important thing to focus on is regularly creating interesting, eye-catching content and using all the tricks we've mentioned in this video.